Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing and another package for you actually. So this is both going to be a giveaway and I bought it mainly to be able to answer your questions and my own questions of course. So let's see what it is. It is another backpack from Gaston Luga and they've had it for at least a year, maybe 2 years. And it is a backpack for sneakers. No, it is a backpack that have pockets for sneakers. And I've been trying to figure out if me as an adult, old man, can fit my big sneakers. And if I can fit my sneakers, then the backpack is probably going to look too big to wear. So is it maybe for youth, kids? I don't know. Let's find out. And when I got the box, it's a really big box, but now I see that the size looks kind of normal actually. So I bought this just so I can answer your questions as said, because I haven't seen a single unboxing video or review of it. They have it in Lakers colorways and Chicago Bulls colorways and this standard black one. And since it's going to be a giveaway, I thought the black one is what people like. For myself, I would have chosen the Lakers colorway because I'm not going to wear it daily anyway. So the thing with Gaston Luga is that they have their waterproof. I wouldn't call it waterproof, but they have their own material that is environment friendly and can take a lot of eco-friendly waterproof material with waterproof rating of 8,000 millimeters. So you can wear it when it rains. So it looks like your standard backpack, more or less. It's just it has this pockets on the sides. And we also have a linen pocket probably on the inside for your basketball. I like that as well. All right, so underneath, all right. So underneath there is a pocket, and in that pocket you have the net for your ball. I thought it was going to be a loose net that you would lose quick. So that is really good that it's always there in the bottom. And as your standard backpack, it looks okay. It is actually kind of big, but not in the bad way. Does it say anything about liters? But it fits 20 liter. 20 liter quite much. But as said, what I'm curious about is the pockets. I don't think I will be able to fit a high model like the Air Jordan 1 High, but I should be able to fit like the pocket is actually kind of big. It is. Hey, you fit more than I thought. So here now, that's a Air Jordan 1 High in size US 12, size 46. So it's a big shoe. And I even think that if I should choose a smaller shoe, I can fit 2 of them on one pocket. Yeah, let's try that. Hey, guys. A pair of US 12 Air Jordan 3 can fit in one pocket. Now I really like it. I can have 2 pair of shoes extra with me. This is excellent. And you have a ventilated pouch or ventilated pocket so the shoes can breathe if you have worn them while working out, playing basketball, whatever. Man, this was better than expected. I can have 2 pair of shoes with me. Plus, I can still pack things inside, of course. So you have your computer pocket or laptop pocket. This is your standard pocket. Your laptop pocket is the, yeah, you can fit a lot in this. But most important, of course, is the sneakers. I'm positively surprised. And I don't think it looked weird. I thought it was going to, like, from the front you could see the backpack, but all right, so I said I'm going to do a giveaway, so I'm going to give away this, and I'm ordering the Lakers colorway for myself. Yeah, because I really like this. And my standard, I have a discount code at to Gaston Luga. Syrup share, so SP15, that's the standard one on all sites. You try that everywhere. So SP15 2025, I will type that in or check the description. So SP15 2025. And yeah, this was really good. And in this pocket, as you see, I only have 1 pair of shoes because I just wanted to try it out. And here I have 2 pairs. No, not 2 pairs. I have a pair. So I have 2 shoes of Air Jordan 3s. Size 46, US 12. I think that's it. I don't have anything more to say about it. I'm surprised. It was better than I thought. I thought that I was going to have 1 shoe per side and that the net for the basketball was something that you hang on when needed and then you would get rid of it. But no, really nice. I'm absolutely getting the Lakers colorway. So to get this bag from me, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. But tell me when and why you need to have extra pair of shoes with you. So why do you need to have a backpack where you can have extra shoes with you? Tell me that. I'm located in Malmö, Sweden. If you win it, you will come and get it from me. Or if I meet you in a car meet. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.